So welcome back to the YouTube channel, and tonight I will be sharing with you guys a very sad news, at the same time a very sad update about Briana Lyston. We all know that Briana Lyston is the youngest best 100-meter runner from Jamaica currently, and some everybody knew that her future is going to be bright, but right now there is actually a very unfortunate news about Brian Lyson. Brian Lyson has now broken the heart of so many athletics Jamaican fans, and the reason we'll be explaining in this video. I will give you in details and the reason why she has broken the heart of so many Jamaican athletic fans who are hoping to make them proud at the Jamaican National Trials and also the Paris Olympic 2024. Now, before I give you in details and explain every single thing concerning Brian Lyson, I want you to do me a favor. If this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, please like this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So, breaking news: Briana Lyston calls an end to her 2024 season after the NCAA championship, where many were hoping to see her compete at the Jamaican National Championship, which is the Jamaican National Trials, for a spot in Paris, as chances were good for making both the 100 and 200 meter for Briana Lyston. Do you think Lightson missed on a chance to gain valuable experience at this year Paris Olympic? So if you can clearly observe from this article, what they mean is Brian Lightson is the one who chose to quit this year's season overall, which means she will not have a chance at the Jamaican National Trials, and again there is no chance of Briana Lyson participating at this year Paris Olympic. So it's actually a sad news, and I believe she has broken the heart of so many Jamaican track fans who are hoping to see her compete with the big three: Elaine, Shericka, and of course Shelly. Let me hear your opinions. Do you think Briana Lyson made the wrong choice by quitting this year season? Do you believe that Briana Lyson ending her season so quick will have an effect on her in the coming future? Because I mean, this is an Olympic season and she is quitting already. Let me hear your opinions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.